Learn Hindi travel phrases fast. Do you have Wi-Fi? 2.
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा.
Welcome to the Great Wi-Fi Hunt. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi phrases for modern survival, internet, calls, and polite excuses. And yes, this chapter may save you from becoming a dramatic statue in a hotel lobby. Picture this. You arrive at a hotel with confidence, style, and exactly 3% battery. You smile at the receptionist and ask the first heroic question.
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है?
In English, that means, do you have Wi-Fi? If the receptionist smiles, wonderful. If the receptionist looks mysterious, level up and ask.
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है?
That means, what is the Wi-Fi password? Congratulations, you are no longer a tourist. You are now a digital treasure hunter. The tragic phone signal drama. Now let us prepare for the classic disaster. Your phone decides to become a useless shiny sandwich. Do not panic, you have the phrase. You open your phone, 0 bars, not 1 bar, not even half a bar trying its best. You say,
मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है.
That means, I have no network. Say it again with the correct feeling, mild frustration, but still classy.
मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है.
Imagine standing on one foot, holding your phone toward the sky like you are offering it to the internet gods. Still nothing. So yes, this phrase is realistic, emotional, and painfully useful. Mini dialogue at the hotel desk. Listen to this little scene and imagine yourself saying the lines. You can totally do this. Guest. Hello.
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है?
Staff. Yes, we do. Guest. Great, then one more tiny question that is actually a huge question.
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है?
Staff. It is on the card. Guest. Amazing. My phone may now return to life. When texting fails, use your voice. Sometimes messages do not go through. Sometimes life says, be direct. Here is your polite call phrase. If you need someone to ring you, say.
क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं?
In English, can you call me? This is useful when typing is slow, your battery is low, or your thumbs are being dramatic. Example. I cannot explain this by text.
क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं?
Single quote. Imagine sending that message while staring at your phone like it owes you money. The polite escape line. Now for a beautiful phrase that is honest, polite, and perfect when you are busy. It says, I care, but not this exact second. Say.
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा.
That means, I will write to you later. Use it when you are in a meeting, on a train, eating samosas with both hands, or pretending to be organized. You can imagine this situation. Your friend sends 3 messages, 2 question marks, and 1 suspicious emoji. You breathe calmly and reply.
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा.
Elegant, responsible, slightly heroic, quick pattern power. Here is a simple trick. Listen for repeating patterns. Your brain loves patterns almost as much as it loves free Wi-Fi. In.
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है?
Notice.
क्या?
For a question and.
है.
For is. In.
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है?
You hear.
क्या है?
For what is. In.
मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है. नहीं है.
Gives you the negative, do not have or is not. In.
क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं.
Means can do. In.
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा. बाद में.
Means later. Speed round, no cheating. Let us do a quick quiz. Answer out loud before the answer appears. If you whisper, I will allow it, but only this once. How do you say, do you have Wi-Fi?
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है?
How do you say, what is the Wi-Fi password?
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है?
How do you say, I have no network?
मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है।
How do you say, can you call me?
क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं?
How do you say, I will write to you later?
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा।
Final mission. Now tie everything together in one tiny story. Listen once, then repeat it like a star learner with a slightly desperate battery. You enter a cafe and ask.
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है?
They say yes, so you ask.
वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है?
Then suddenly your regular mobile signal disappears and you sigh.
मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है।
You need to reach your friend, so you send.
क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं?
If they message while you are busy, you reply.
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा।
And just like that, you survived the modern world in Hindi. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful Hindi that real people actually use, which is much better than learning how to say, the philosopher's cucumber is blue. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Repeat these phrases again today.
क्या आपके पास वाईफाई है? वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है? मेरे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है। क्या आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं?
And
मैं तुम्हें आपको बाद में लिखूंगा।
keep practicing, say them out loud, and come back soon for more English to Hindi learning.